Welcome back. Right now, Hurricane Laura survivors are cleaning up after the path of destruction it left behind. One of the questions now is, how will it affect oil prices? Fox 44's Brian Glenn went looking for some answers.
Southeast Texas, southwest Louisiana just had a major hurricane impact that area. What impact did that have on the energy sector? Joining me now is Jay Young. He's an energy expert to talk about, is there any effects that we're going to see at the pump in relation to gas prices and oil prices from the effects of this hurricane?
Yeah, well, as you know, the Gulf of Mexico produces millions of barrels of oil. So we obviously, if we're not able to bring that from the offshore to the refineries, and if refineries are shut down, we'll have less supply on the markets, and that will affect it. Fortunately for this storm went through, it didn't affect it that much. There wasn't a lot of production and rigs falling down and so forth. So won't have a long-term effect.
I know that previous hurricanes that hit that area had a major effect on production. Hurricane Rita and Ike both shut down production temporarily. Okay, moving forward to fourth quarter this year, inventory supplies, world markets, what does that look like?
Well, I'll tell you what, if you look at rig count, which is how we produce oil, right? You have rigs out there. You're seeing, if you used to see 4 rigs running in an area, you're only seeing 1 right now. Rig count's down 75, 80%. And that's what makes that new oil. And if you're not making new oil, then you're not keeping up with the Joneses. You're not keeping up there at your 13 million barrels a day, which is what happened years ago. We were producing 13 million barrels a day. Now we're at 10. If we go to 9, 8, you're going to see supply go down, which means, and your demand's going to come back up. I mean, you're seeing people right now driving and
so as we climb out of COVID, and people go back to work and driving, the demand will be there, but the supply won't, which would call the prices to go up, right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
We're seeing demand go up 13 million barrels a day just in the last 4 months. So you will see that. When you see that need for oil and we don't have it, what's going to happen?
Yeah. Is there any relation to the election and gas prices and oil production?
It's a good question, and I don't really want to go into 100% because it'll change, right? I mean, as soon as they hear something, but if Biden talks about he wants to go into the renewable energy, we have to make sure that we focus on our daily production and how much oil do we need in the United States every day? How do we keep that price not astronomical, but keep it at a price to where it's healthy for everybody? So politics does play a big part, but there's obviously some tension between the two, and we'll see how that turns out.
Absolutely. We typically see gas prices rise as we get to Labor Day weekend. So trickle up a little bit from that, I would expect that would happen.
Absolutely. We'll see $40, $45 oil now, but I would not put it past us to see $50 to $60 barrel oil by the end of this year, Brian.
Jay Young, thanks for coming.
Absolutely. Thank you very much. Appreciate you.
Thank you.